Hi, in this video I will show you how we can use the Kleopatra to decrypt file which has been encrypted using the public key. So before that I have a test.thursday morning.txt. This is a encrypted file which was encrypted by my friend Ramesh. He used my public key to encrypt this file, and he shared this file with me. So before for going forward, I will just have a look into this file. So this is the encrypted file, because this is the encrypted content of the file, so it cannot be directly understood. The next thing is I have already certified the my public key of the my friend Ramesh Trust. And to decrypt the this encrypted file, I will just click here on the decrypt and verify button, and from here on I can select that encrypted text file and open. So it is asking me to enter my secret key, because the file was encrypted using my public key. So it is asking for, me to enter my secret key. As I enter my secret key, uh, it will decrypt the file if it was encrypted using my public key, else it won't decrypt us, and the decryption process will be failed. Let me just type my secret key, which is I just typed. So it says that the all operation is completed. It means that the file has been decrypted. So even if we check the log, audit log, we have the valid signature by Ramsest at college.ca, and the file name was given here, and here the recipient information also given, which is premtamang, and my email address, and the signature, and the created date, and the certified date. So the encrypted file is verified, and it is the same file which was encrypted using the my public key, and I was successfully able to decrypt the file. I will just click on here save all button just to save the plain text of the decryption process. As you click on that one, and the new file is created. So I will just try to open this new file. So it is sent from the master Ramesh. So here is his first name and the date of today, and the next thing is 4:25 p.m. It is the time he encrypted this text file. So I successfully decrypted the text file encrypted text file, which was sent by my friend Ramesh Trust, and this was it. Thank you.